Hello and welcome back to AJM Learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to round the bottom edges of your Squarespace header just to give a little bit more elevated of a look. I think the header kind of screams Squarespace. Not that that's bad, but we want to move away from the templatized look. So let's do that. All right, I'm going to paste this in directly from the tutorial. Also, it's in the video description. So pasting this straight in, as you can see, essentially we're just applying a border radius to the bottom two corners. You can, of course, like adjust this however you want. I mean, you can get crazy and, only have one side curved, whatever you want to do, totally up to you. But that is simply how to apply it. Okay, so the cool thing about this is it actually works on every type of header. So if you could do solid, gradient, adaptive, like I've tested them all. Obviously, adaptive, you'll have no background at the top, but as you scroll, it does apply to that. So that's super cool, applies to any type of header, and it also applies to mobile. So awesome. The one note I have put in the post is for some reason, this does get rid of any drop shadow settings that you have on your header. So I figured easiest way to negate that is just you can manually add one in. So this is all in the post as well. If you need, you can just add a drop shadow manually here. You can kind of see it pop in. And you can, of course, adjust the RGB here. You can adjust the opacity here. We have tons of posts on headers. Go to our blog, check out the header category, and hope you enjoy.